darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. I did the makeup review of Kim Kardashian's palette yesterday, and every other comment was about my shoulders and about my arms, and I was so tickled pink because I didn't know that you guys had noticed. About a month ago, I really started lifting weights. I'm going to be 55. I'm going to be 55 in April, the 16th of April to be exact. I'm just wondering whether this is too bright. Let me see if I can close the curtain because the sun does come in. Yes, that's it. So I'm going to be, let me just see. There we go. Yeah, so I'm going to be 55 on the 16th of April, and my body has changed. I am getting older, and I realized that as much as I did my cardio, because I love to run, I realized that I was losing muscle mass. So I said to myself, Fools, you gotta get with the weights. I always knew, but I just didn't care for it that much. But I could see that I was getting Batwings. I was. And I felt that I wasn't getting enough tone in my legs, in my torso. So I started lifting free weights, dumbbells. And I learned two things along my journey. I've learned that you have to eat. You have to have your proteins. So I eat a lot of chicken, I eat a lot of fish, and I have solid breakfast, solid lunch, solid dinners. My dinner is the lightest, but I have a lot of protein. I really just got rid of the sugar. I got rid of the sugar. I sleep very, very well. So I'm going to show you what really changed for me, because you want to build muscle. You need to, we have muscle underneath. You have to get rid of the fat in order to get to the muscle. That's why it's important for you to eat, and eat solid, eat proteins, eat your carbs, good carbs. Take your peanut butter, put it onto brown bread, eat the brown rice, and I will do another episode for you on that. But for the first time in my 55 years, in just 30 days, I saw the difference in my arms. And I think it's not so much that I saw the difference, it was that you saw the difference. So I'm going to show you a couple of reps that I do. And that was another thing. You don't have to do 15 reps, 30 reps, 12 reps. You really don't. You can do 8 reps and you can do it with solid weights. So what do I have? I have 3 kg weights, and that's pretty good for me. So we're going to start, and I want you just to do the circular motions of your arms forward, and then we'll go backwards. Okay, so warm up, get your shoulders going. So let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then we go backwards. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Alrighty, we're going to lift it forward and bring it back down. That is 1. Yeah, take it up. 2, take it up. 3, take it up. 4, hold in your tummy. Up. 5, up. 6, up. 7, up. 8. That's all you need, mama. That's all you need. Now, I'm going to show you something so that you can really see the difference. You see, when you lift your arm up, we're trying to get this muscle right here. I'm going to come forward. Yeah, so you can see. And so because of that, we want to do exercises that lift up and tighten. And as you're doing so, you're holding your tummy in. Yeah, it gets tighter, and that's what you want. So with my 3 kg weights, here we go. We're going to take it up above our heads. Keep your tummy in. Keep your elbows in, and drop it. 1, up. 2, 3, up. 4, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that again. All right. So here we go. Yeah. So we go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You bring it down. Okay, take a break. Shake it out, shake it out. You should be feeling it right here in your shoulders, and you should be feeling it here as well. So this is going to be a forward, yes? So you have your weights. You're going to go up. You're going to turn them, turn your arm in. You're going to work this flab right here. We're going to work that again. So step back, out, and you bring it in. Yeah? All right. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I enjoyed that so much. We're gonna do it again. And you can do 3 sets of 8. Start with that if you're new. But here we go. So we go up and we go in and you squeeze. Okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and your tummy is flat. We're going to go side by side now. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it down, you shake it out, and then we do it again. Here we go. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 8. And you bring it down. Shake it out. And you'll be feeling it. Yes, baby. That's it. And just swing it out. Now, like I said, you do 3 sets. 3 sets of each one, or 2 sets. And you build up. Because what I have realized over the 1 month, building up my resistance is the way to go. Don't do too much at once. If it's only 8 that you can do per exercise, do that. But I promise you, you will feel that your posture is straightening up, your tummy is flattening out, and you're feeling much, much tighter. We've got 2 more. We're almost done. So we're going to take it up again. The weights. 1. Okay. We're just going to lift it up like so and bring it down. Bring it right up. Because again, you're working the bat wings. That's why we're here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I enjoyed that so much. Let's go back and do it again, and I'll do it on this side, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I really enjoyed that, so I'm going to do it from the other side. Really easy. They're not that, it's not that intense. My nose is running. I'm going to go into the bathroom. Excuse me for 1 minute. Allergies. Okay, here we go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Let me come forward. How do you feel, guys? You're going to see the difference, but you have to be consistent. Everything in life is consistency. So if you keep up with it, you'll see the difference, okay? So we're going to take them up, and we're going up, yeah? And you know how we brought it up this way? We're going to swing the dumbbells up, and we're going to bring it down, yeah? So we're going to do 8 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Aha. There we go. There we go. Swing it out, swing it out. They're always calling me. They always call me and only call me when I'm filming. Okay, last one, last one, last one. Go up again, out and in. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it down. And that is it, my darlings. Shake it out and let us do the circular motion forward and backwards. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Shake it out. That's all that I do for my arms and Batwings. That's all I do for now. I might build it up as I go along, but right now I'm seeing the results and I like it. I don't want to be bulky. I just want to be really toned and really lean. That's all I want to do. And I'm just enjoying it. I can see myself tightening up and I have much more resistance and I like how my body looks. So we're gonna do what now? Do it backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, kumbaya, 12. Stretch, stretch, there you go. As we get older, we lose body mass, you know. It's part of the aging process, of which I really don't mind. I just want to be fit, and we're living longer, and I think it's good for us to be healthy, mentally healthy, physically healthy, emotionally healthy. It's so important. If nothing serves you or you're around negativity, it's not healthy. Get away from all of that. For your mental health, forget about the past. Learn from it, but forget about it and move on. Nothing you can do about it, you know. And eat healthy. Have your treats every once in a while. But your body is your temples, the one body I have. And so I've just learned, really in my 50s, how to take care of it, what to put in it, what to surround myself, you know, with. Somebody smoking, I walk away. Somebody drinking, it's not for me. No judgment, but I want to preserve myself in a certain way. And I am enjoying it, and I'm seeing the results. That is it, my darlings. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. That wasn't so bad. Was that bad? It wasn't so bad. That's it. So you should be sweating, which is good. You know, my boobs have shrunk. Did you notice? And then this is my torso. Very happy. So we'll do that in the next